Now let us see the one sum in the purchases daybook. Enter the following transaction in the purchases journal of LM & Co. The name of the organization is LM & Co. Post them in the ledger book and post them in ledger book. In addition to the entering the journal, purchase journal, you have to post them in the ledger book. Ramesh and Stores. From Ramesh and Stores, they purchased on August 1st, they purchased following goods. That means Ramesh and Stores 2020 August 1st purchased the following goods on credit basis. Invoice number is 301. 20 notebooks at rupees 15 each, 40 register at rupees 25 each, 60 writing pads at rupees 10 each, 100 ball pens at rupees 16 each. They allowed 10% trade discount. Now we are going to enter this in the purchase daybook. That means purchase journal. So day column, invoice number, particulars, the name of the supplier, LF column. That is, this is a This is a journal. From here only we are taking to ledger. So LF column, details and the amount. Now let us see 2020 August 1st. The name of the supplier. The name of the supplier is Ramesh Stores. And you have to underline this heading. The next one, purchase the following goods on credit basis. Of course, on the credit basis we are entering the purchase daybook. Cash basis we are entering in the cash book itself. And the first one, 20 notebooks. At rupees 15 each. Now let us calculate this one. 300 rupees, 15, 300, right here. And the next one, 40 registers. At rupees 25 each. Then now calculate 40 0 thousand. Now let us go to the next one. 60 writing pads. Writing pads at rupees 10 each. 600. Then next comes 100 ball pens. 100 ball pens at rupees 16 each. 1600. Now let us total this one. Zero 3,500. Now from this we are going to have the enter the what you call trade discount plus 10% trade discount. 10%, 350. we are going to write here. $3,150. This is the net amount, and in addition to that, when we are adding one more supplier, we are writing here the name of the supplier, and the other items. Then like that, finally we have to find out the net amount at the end of completing this purchase day book. Okay, now let us go to the next one. Suppose out of this 20 notebooks, 10 notebooks, 2 notebooks were returned to the supplier. Means what will be the transaction? How we will enter in the purchases return book? The same way, to date column, invoice number, and in the invoice number column we are writing what column? Debit note. Debit note. In this column we are writing debit note, and we are giving the details about the invoice number, etc. And suppose 2 notebooks, 2 notebooks at rupees 15 each, means how much we are returning? We are returning the worth of 30 rupees worth and this minus 10% trade discount allowed by the customer, allowed by the supplier. Minus 10% is 3 rupees, and the net amount 27 will be returned by the supplier. So this is the purchase return book. Same column in this invoice column we are writing what we are writing, the debit note. Same date column, debit note column, the reason for returning the goods also we have to mention in addition to the other details. Suppose 2 notebooks were returned, mean 2 notebooks at a 15% discount allowed by the supplier is 10%, means 220. This is the net amount minus rupees 3, that is a 10%. From there we are returning, we are getting this amount from the supplier. Next we will go for the sales day book.